Ahmad, Yasin, but welcome to my channel.
Ahmad, what are you making today?
Hot chocolate milk.
Okay. Okay, let's see, Ahmad, what we need for making hot chocolate. Come. We need milk, cocoa powder, some sugar, a pinch of salt, and some chocolate. Okay? Okay, Ahmad, smell it. It's cocoa powder. Smell it. Is it smell good? Yes? Okay, Ahmad. And we pour the milk into this pan and let the milk give a boil. Okay, Ahmad. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Yes. Good. Good. And stir it. Good job. You enjoying making hot chocolate?
Yes.
Okay. Now you will add some
Chocolate.
chocolate. Okay. Add some chocolate. And stir it again. Stir it again. Yes. Good.
Sugar.
Pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt.
Okay, add it. Good. Stir it again. Stir it again, baby. Good. Yasin, mix it like this. Good boy. Okay. Add sugar. Add sugar. Add it. कैसा लग रहा है हॉट चॉकलेट मिल्क बनाकर? Good. Okay, your hot chocolate milk is ready. It's almost done.
मम्मा ज़्यादा बना रही हो? बस। मम्मा, और बनाऊं बच्चे के लिए?
The hot chocolate milk is ready. Okay, Ahmad, your hot chocolate milk is ready. Just sprinkle some cocoa powder on the top of your hot milk. Good. Very nice. आपको कैसा लगा हॉट चॉकलेट मिल्क बनाकर? Tell me, कुछ बताओ भी.
अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा. आपने हॉट चॉकलेट मिल्क कैसे बनाया है?
मिक्स करके और पाउडर डाल के.
चॉकलेट पाउडर.
चॉकलेट पाउडर डाल के. और शक्कर. और नमक. बस.
और इन सबको आपने किसमें मिक्स किया? दूध में. Mix all these in milk. ठीक है? It looks so tasty or yummy. Now taste your chocolate milk. Is it tasty? Good job. अच्छा लग रहा है? Are you happy?
Perfect.
Perfect. Good.